giggle is my favorite sound in the world.
When the rest of me is
You can't tell anybody.
You enchant me, even when you're not around.
I don't know how to handle these feelings we're feeling, but I do know that we don't lie to each other. We don't lie to each other, Riley. You're right.
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough.
I love you, Farkle. And I love you.
Riley is a sun, warm and bright, and lights up my whole day.
I won't let go of you.
You, me, Mars. Let's do this thing.
I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured.
You will love again, Riley.
Wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? Got me losing it.
This is me now. Farkle?
Why did you kiss me? Make my heart
That was your first kiss, and it was with Farkle.
Farkle,
I feel we're close enough.
if you really care about me, I know that you will do the right thing. I do. And I will. I'm doing it for you, Riley. I care so much about you. I want you to know that the truth is always the best thing.
I've been in love with Riley since the first grade.
What do you do around here when you just want to look at each other's faces a little longer? I'm a hot squeak. Your favorite orange turtleneck.